One of the most infuriating aspects of U.S. law.
Stephen Lara is a Marine veteran with no criminal record who was stopped by Nevada police for allegedly following too close to a truck while on a road trip from Texas to California to visit his children.
During the traffic stop, the officer asks him questions about what he has inside the vehicle, and he willingly disclosed that he has around $100,000 in cash, his life savings.
Big mistake. Under the doctrine of civil asset forfeiture, police can seize property that they have probable cause to believe is related to an illegal act, even if no crime was actually committed. This most commonly happens with cash that they believe was related to drug trafficking.
Although Lara committed no crime, had no criminal record, and explained to police that he didn't trust banks to hold his money in today's society, and even had bank statements and payroll receipts included with the money, they still seized the money because a police dog alerted to the presence of drugs on the money.
Which is controversial given that studies have shown that around half of all currency has traces of drugs on it.
Even more controversial, the police department that seizes the property often gets to keep it.
Which is how police departments end up with cars like this.
Basically, once the property is seized, the government files a civil lawsuit to keep it.
Because the case is civil, there's a lower burden of proof to show that the property was related to an illegal activity.
Fortunately for Lara, he did win his case, so his money was eventually returned.
But many aren't so lucky, and it's estimated that around $500 million worth of property is seized through civil asset forfeiture each year.